Hey everybody, this is Larry. Biweekly Contest 94, 50 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, give me some support, especially with, Christmas and Hanukkah and everything coming right up. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing all right. I am just didn't sleep that well yesterday, to be honest. So I will see how that goes. But maybe these are kind of just excuses. But it's okay. I'm here just to kind of, always excited to see new problems and just having a little bit fun with, however I do, how it'll just come out, whatever. But yeah, and your rating is of course just like an aggregation of everything anyway, an average of stuff. Yeah, 10 seconds to go, so let's go. Remember, each problem will have its own explanation video, so definitely check that out in the description or just search for it. It'll be fine. Go. Well, go rating. Two. So much rating. 20 seconds just like rating it. Okay. Man, there's so much reading for this one. Why not from 1 to negative? Oh, that is negative. Okay. It's very awkward on the reading, but fine. Empty position J. This is so kind of confusingly awkward. I don't. This phrasing is so awkward. It's okay, 0 to 0. Okay, fine. I don't know. A little bit slower today, but oh snaps. Oh, that's a little bit awkward actually. Has to find one. So, how do I fix this? That's a good bug though. Otherwise, it would be really sad. Why is this giving me? Oh, whoops! I kept this in here. No, Hopefully that's right. Okay, that's a very annoying one. Positive feedback, negative feedback. Non-increasing order by points and lower ID. Okay. What's the ID? ID is student ID is given here. Okay, well, this is what a weird thing, but yeah, maybe I don't need to do it that way. What I can do is it's already a do I subtract by one? Okay, yeah. That's not good. Are we not returning to X is what? This is Python 3. 1212. Oh, snap. How do I only have two things? Oh, I missed the K part. Wow, that is dumb. Why do they not have one case on that? That is just seems like a way. Also, I did it the other way, but because that just seems like a very silly gotcha. I don't know. I mean, I should have been careful, but that's just a silliness. Okay. Wait, one can do. Each of them. Okay. Minimum possible maximum integer that can be represented as both the what's going on? Okay. It's 10 to the 9, so that means we have to do something funky. Is this a 6 problem? This is a 5, so debating about skipping, but well, coming back to it. But Hmm. We'll come back to it. See if I can do this one first. Okay, so given string s contain one or more words, anagram. Okay, number of distinct anagrams. Okay, let's remember the mod song first. Mod. It seems pretty straightforward. I have to have all them. I mean, I have to set it up, but it's pretty straightforward. Okay, that is what I want. I always forget how to do this, to be honest, but I know that way I don't need all of it, but it is what it is. I forget which way it is. Okay, whoops. We also do mod over 2 or something, or minus, whatever. I'm not going to do little Chinese remainder for now. Okay. Oh, this part I did forget. I might need to mod a little bit, but it's fine. I don't know why I wrote it this way when I wrote it the other way, clearly. But, Guess I missed something, should be okay. Back to this one though. I'd be really sad about Q2, but I think it's just a scenario thing, but I can't prove it. Basically, we greedy on one and then do the other. Maybe. No, that's not true. I looked at it too. Man, there's so many off by one possibilities. People, it doesn't seem like people got Q3 though, but Q2 silliness. Come on, Larry. How do you miss it in the title? Okay. So basically, it is just okay. You need count. Okay, I think I have to think the other way instead of the divisor, and then okay. So missing 1 is equal to. So basically, you need count 1. Okay, so maybe I just do something like and then we just return max of something like that. And this is so much typing. Okay, and then basically this is annoying as hell. It's not that I just need to focus. Okay, so missing 1 is equal to, so u1 divided by d1 is going to be the missing number, right? Maybe, and then we have to kind of add that in, right? So then basically when we want something like u is equal to u1, right? Maybe. Okay, and then while u1 is greater than 0, and there's these numbers that are missing, t1, t1, we added to missing 1, right? This is too hard to read, but t1, v1, t1. Okay, so this goes up to 15, which is what I expected, and this goes up to 2, which is also what I expected, maybe. Oh, yeah, and then you fill it out. Okay. 2, 1, this goes up to 1. 7, 3, it goes up to 3. That's right. Okay, so then basically, okay, so then now we have the upper bound of the number, and then we go, okay, well, this, so basically if it's 4, did I misunderstood something? Minimum possible maximum integer. Okay, so it doesn't have to fill the 4. Okay. Okay, that's good, I guess. And then basically t1 is the highest number, and then total missing, maybe something like this. Right, so then here it should have 7 numbers missing, which is fine. And then now but the thing is, if they're not whatever with each other, that's the hard part. But people are solving it. What a silly mistake to get on though. Okay, so then basically now we have to do the LCM. I think I need to do LCM first. Also, this is a thing that to D1, D2. I think this works depending on the new Python version. Okay, fine. So then now, we want to fill in, right? So basically, I hate myself. Okay, now, but T1, so the number of missing numbers. It's not the LCM. Well, I mean, it is the LCM, but okay, so T1 LCM will be the number of things that are okay. So TM1 minus this will be the number of things that we can do unique. So okay, unique to left. I don't know why we use these terrible variable names, to be honest. Okay, so you to left is equal to this, and then we probably just fill out. But that's basically fulfilling all the stuff under the other thing. If we went for the penalty, I would actually have been pretty good price. Maybe not. People are getting it, so maybe just a matter of time. Oh, no, Josh. Oh, congrats, Josh, on your not submitting until your thing anyway. But okay. Okay, so then that's how many things that are left. Right. And then now we fill it out however we like to the unique for bit of T1. But what if it's like some weird off by whatever numbers? Right. I guess the riser 2 we can focus on that, but this is so annoying. How do people not get wrong answers? I guess some people get wrong answers, but because basically if it has leftovers, like, I don't know. So we have to fill these in, and we fill it out to the riser 2, right? So basically, and there could be a lot of numbers. So I guess basically, okay, so you two left, we go to the next number, and then after that we just fill it out, right? So okay, so should be T1 mod divisor 2 is the leftover, and then D2 minus that, so that it could be 0. So yeah, extra is equal to this. If extra is equal to D2, if T1 mod D2 is equal to 0, then just extra is equal to 0, and then now we basically just do the math on the thing, but yeah, T2 is equal to U2 left, oh, well, U2 left minus extra, and then TM2 is equal to 0, so I guess we don't need that, but while U2 left is greater than 0, missing 2 is equal to U2 left to the D1, D2, what am I doing? Okay, so then we add this, okay, else we do this, and then T1 we add extra. I have to minus 1 from here, to be honest. Because that gets you to the next number. Because if we have 1 extra, then when you get it to, oh my god. Okay, let's just finish writing this 2 first, and then we'll play around with it. D2. This is going to be a mess. Well, this already is a mess, but T1 plus T2 or something. 2, 3, 19. Okay, well, this is not right at all, but that's okay. We have debugging. That's fun. 3, 2, 19. Do I count 0? Is that why? Doesn't fix the other thing though, but. Okay, so basically we have to, oh man, T2 is negative. Well, that makes it weird. Hmm. Seven, 5, 15. Well, that's just really wrong, but I appreciate you for trying. Let's see. So left is negative 6, that's fine. I'd have 7 here. 7 is, oh, I want the min of this, not the max. That's at least one of the things I need to fix. 4 and 3 is right, the 2 is clearly not though. And I don't even know that that's right, it's just that that happens to be whatever. Okay. 4 and 2. How do I even read this? Okay, so 4 and 2, we get 2 and 0. Okay, so I have 2, then, that's clearly wrong. So the 2, we have 1 and 2, right? The other, is the other number right? The other one is 16, plus 3 is 19. That's also wrong, but it may just not be the, no, it's the right, it should be going that direction, so I think that's wrong. So we should be, it goes to 16, Maybe that's why. I thought I had 15 earlier. Did I add something by accident? Okay, so 8. I have to debug both of these, to be honest. Okay, so this is draining. I'm really tired. The focus is hard. Okay, so 4, 2. We have 2. That one is good, but then we have 0. Why? Because the U2 left is 0. That's not right. We got TM1. TM1. So that means that I have 4. Oh, this is just to fill up. But then now, if we still have leftover, then what do we do? Dun dun dun. So now we did 1, 2. Leftover should be. So this is 4. T1 is 2. So okay, so there's no leftovers, but we have to do the overflows, which I didn't do. Why is this 0 though? Am I doing this a weird way? How many people have gotten it so far? 50? Wow, a lot of people gotten it, so Am I missing an obvious case? Jeez. Jeez Louise. Can I binary search? Is that the answer? Maybe it is. Actually, I didn't think about that one. What happened to our binary search? How do I binary search? Can this be done? Wah. Okay, I guess binary search maybe. I don't know if this is true though. If this is good, then we go down. Oops. So basically, I want to say, well, how many numbers there are? Okay, so talk. So 2 is equal to 2, right? And then missing 3 is equal to target. I could probably take this out, but 2 turn missing 1. Okay, but what does that mean? Right. So that means that it's maybe something like that. Seven 620. That's not quite right. I don't know if this is right either, but I'm just putting it somewhere, the code, so I could reuse later if I need to paste it back. So basically that's just a missing number, and maybe this way. I'm just like testing random crap now. Also, what am I printing? Oh no, that's the input. So basically this adds to it. So what am I doing? So that there's enough numbers here, there's enough numbers here. What is this condition that I'm trying to figure out? I know that this is wrong because it basically is saying that it's doing something. I have to do the other thing maybe. So basically it's minus missing 3. What? Okay, that's not quite right either because of this thing. And something like that maybe. I'm gonna YOLO submit because okay, well, oh well, that's just silly, Larry. Silly Larry. Silly Larry. Okay, well, I didn't actually think about that one actually. Okay, wow, that was a hard one, but I didn't think about the upper bound because I was just like, oh, this looks close enough, and it cost me a good finish, I suppose, but it's still really hard problem. I mean, I had a very good Q4, but that's because I skipped ahead. I think a lot of people had a good Q4, but 2 wrong mistakes were kind of dumb. I mean, one of them was pretty dumb. The other was, I usually don't, the funny thing is that I usually write my infinities pretty bigger, but this one I just, for some reason, thought, it doesn't make sense, but I don't know why I thought it was that. Double check the submission so that I can see the running time. Okay, so I don't have to worry about like tightening the bound and resubmit. I mean, I guess I could, but silly mistakes. But that's a good. That's the thing, is that I couldn't prove that. Like, how is this always monotonically increasing? Is this actually right? Was without the, I mean, I don't know. Q3 I legitimately had issues with, so that's fine. I don't think it was that bad for me to be slow on. I mean, or like, you know, it's part of the learning. That it was a very good problem. But the silly mistake on it was a little bit sad, and obviously Q2 silly mistake was also a little bit sad. But it should be top 100 maybe, but yeah, what was the case that I got wrong anyway? Did they tell you? No, they don't tell you, do they? Huh? I could imagine it's something just like with a big number. That's a little bit silly, Larry. Silly Larry. Like someone like 99997 and then someone like this. And then maybe like what does that give me? Oh. Yeah, well, okay, fine. You got me. What? Oh, I mean, also it doesn't matter, I suppose. Yeah. Yeah, what a silly mistake. Yeah, I mean, I'm just chatting in my Discord. Just wondering, like, I mean, I was just saying, I don't know if it's better to have like a 5 second bug where you're like, oh, as soon as you submit, you're like, oh, this is a trivial thing fix for 5 seconds, or is it better to have a bug where you like spend 20 minutes debugging? I don't know. But oh well. Yeah. I mean, this will drop down for a little bit. It is what it is. Q3 is interesting. I don't know if it's hard, but it just takes. It's very unique. Well, I mean, I guess it shouldn't have been, but I did blank out on it. And I had a real chance to get top 10 if I had a reasonable time, and of course if I didn't have two wrong answers, because 29 minutes, I mean, I really had. If I didn't have this wrong answer anyway, I had 17 minutes. Even with the wrong answer, I had 12 minutes to do it for top 10. Though this doesn't include China actually, so maybe I lied. Someone in China is from here, but so maybe I am lying on that one. We'll see where that ends up. It's either that or China is off or something. I don't know. There's not many. I mean, there is a Chinese person, but not in China. I don't know. I mean, my rank will drop down anyway for another 4 minutes or so. But I'm reasonably happy about it. I don't know. Alright, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.